In today's digital age, having a strong online reputation and presence is increasingly important for any business, including dental practices. With the majority of people turning to the internet to find information about local businesses, a strong online reputation can help attract new patients and keep existing ones coming back. What can a well-crafted marketing plan help you do? It will build and maintain a positive online reputation for any dental practice, increase visibility and credibility, too. The first step in building a strong online reputation for a dental practice is to establish a professional and user-friendly website. A website should also be regularly updated with fresh content to keep it engaging and relevant. The second step in using a marketing plan to stand out is to integrate social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These are powerful tools that can be used to connect with new or existing patients. A third important aspect of building a strong online reputation is by actively managing and responding to online reviews. This shows potential patients that the practice is committed to providing high-quality care and that patient satisfaction is a top priority. The last way is to add blog posts, videos, and PDF guides into your marketing plan. By creating and sharing valuable content, dental practices can establish themselves as experts in their field and attract potential patients who are looking for reliable and trustworthy sources of information. Are you a dental practice looking to grow and stand out in a crowded market? Look no further. We have the solution for you. Introducing our dental marketing plan template, designed to help you acquire new patients and retain existing ones. This easy-to-use template includes strategies for website optimization, social media marketing, online reviews management, and email marketing. Don't waste time and money trying to figure out the best marketing tactics for your practice. Let our template guide you to success. For just $5, you can have access to a comprehensive dental marketing plan. Don't wait any longer, get your hands on this valuable resource today.